41mm, right side up front forks fit well with the looks of the bike, and even though inverted forks are arguably better in every way, they would not fit with the retro vibe Indian was going for. Dual rear coilover shocks are set at an angle that hints at the rear end geometry of the old rigid frames, even if the springs give it away. Suspension travel is about average for a bar hopper, may not be an official category, but that's what it is, at 4.7 up front and 3 inches even in back, but face it, you aren't supposed to go off-road with this ride. Cast wheels wrap up the running gear with 16 inches front and rear, and 298mm brake discs provide the stopping power. Though it only has a single front brake, it provides a positive feel. Some of the colors come with ABS as a standard feature and others don't, so if lack of ABS is a deal breaker, check before you fall in love with a particular color.